Sadie, what book do you want?
I know just the book. Wait here. My third delivery. Oh, I didn't remember the book. Oh. Don't worry, I know just what to do. We can make a book on my Dizzy device.
Let's write a story, Sadie.
This story is about me. This is Joe. Joe is silly. This is a banana. Joe slips on the banana.
Let's love sign. Banana. Banana. You sign. Banana. Good. Banana.
Oh, Joe falls over. Is Joe okay? Yes! The end. Well, it's time for me to go.
Goodbye, Joe.
Hi, Joe. Thank you for the book.
No, thank you, Sadie, for the book. Bye.
Bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.
But
They're too small and pink.
don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Hands up.
Joe, where are you?
Caitlin, I'm in the jungle.
There you are.
Ah, I was looking for the elephants, but I couldn't find any. Wow! Look at the elephants.
Let's love sign. Elephant. Elephant. You sign. Elephant. Good. Elephant.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Caitlin.
Hello, my name is Ray.
We have a question for you.
What do elephants eat?
Oh, they love apples and trees.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. An apple and a bucket.
Bucket is very small. And the elephants are very big.
I don't have a bucket.
But I have a big bucket.
Ah, but no apples.
No.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow. Shall we feed the elephants?
Yes. Ah, there's your mum.
There you are.
We've had a great day. Thank you for all your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I have no boots.
Boots. Wait here.
Nope.
Wait here.
No. No. Thank you. Thanks. But now I need a new phone. My phone is broken.
One is button.
A new phone? Wait here.
No.
A new phone.
No.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
You did that.
Well, it's time to go.
Wait. I need a blue light.
Let's love sign. Light. Light. You sign. Light. Good. Light.
A blue light. Wait here! A light.
Stop.
Turn it on! It's not working. Let's try this one. Turn it on.
Okay.
Oh, it's not working.
Oh, something else is wrong. What could it be? Oh, you fixed the light, Connell. Let's go for a ride.
I love the car.
Oh, look, can you see my bike?
I love the Garda car.
Me too.
But now it's time to go.
Be careful when you drive.
Yes.
Be careful.
I will.